In this video, we'll show just how easy it is to install another desktop, in this case KDE Plasma, in GhostBSD. Right, here we are in a newly installed GhostBSD OS. And first what we need to do is go to Update Station to make sure we've got all the latest packages. And so let's let it do its thing. And there's no updates available, which is good. You may get a different result, in which case update what it suggests. And next we go down to Software Station. And after we put in the password, we're going to search for KDE or KDE Plasma. And we should be looking for KDE 6. So there's the meta package. And it will pull in everything we need. And it's version 6.3.3.2.4. Good grief. Anyway, version 6. So nothing else is selected, but I know it will pull in what we need. Right, so apply. We'll let that install. And, oh yeah, before it installs, it just gives you a list of what it will actually pull in, which is quite a few. So it's going to take a while. So press confirm and we'll start it off. It goes without saying, I will fast forward the next bit. Right, just coming to the end, and there we are. So next, now that's all been installed, everything should be set up in the login manager. What we need to do is log out. I'll just close that down first, and then go to, not shut down, we can just log out. And there we go. And we need to click on that tiny little, let's put in the password ready, that tiny little circle there that tells us that we're changing from Mate default to Plasma X11. And if you've not got Wayland added, it needs to be Plasma X11. Otherwise you'll see a blank screen and nothing will work. So we'll let KDE start up. It's all very exciting. Will it work? I've not tested this yet. And it does. Excellent. That's beautiful KDE Plasma desktop. And of course, everything is loaded in that was available on the Mate or the XFC install. So that's good. Yeah, a nice KDE Plasma 6 desktop running on GhostBSD, and it was easy to do. So for those who love KDE and complain that we haven't got a KDE spin of GhostBSD, it's not hard to put your own in, and you get all the benefits, all the love and care that's put into GhostBSD. Anyway, if this video was useful, please drop a like. If you drop a like, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you next time. This and every other video on my channel has been made using FreeBSD and open source software.